In grade 10 English medium maths, this is our first video. In your first unit is we are traveling to ordinary level exams from grade 10. In the first unit, we will talk about the perimeter. So I think you people have an idea about the perimeter. It means the surrounding length of an object or of an drawn figure on a plane. Saria? Okay. And we only talk about 2D plans here, 2D plans. And in 3D we will talk about the volumes of the objects, volume of the things. So for a simple example, when we are considering thing like this one is 10 centimeter, this one is 15 centimeters, this one is 10 centimeters, this one is 15 centimeters, and this one is 10 centimeters. Consider, for example, an example. So we will add all the lengths of all the sides, and that will be the perimeter. So this is the basic idea about a perimeter. So in this unit, in your first unit, grade 10, as grade 10 students in your first unit, we will mainly talk about perimeter of a circle. Then we will consider sector of circle. You have studied about sector. It means it has an arc and two radius and angle. So this will known as a sector of a circle. This is a circle and this one is a sector. And we will consider, in this unit we will consider the perimeter of a sector. Then we will join the sectors into other shapes and we will add sectors, circle sectors to other objects, and we will find the perimeters of those joined things. Okay, so this will be the rough idea about the unit. So first we will start on a review exercise. So in this review exercise, we are going to do some basic perimeter questions. So in first question, first one is a rectangle shape. So we know that rectangle shapes opposite sides are equal. Okay, opposite sides are equal for a rectangle. So this one 20, so this one also 20. It means we already told that opposite sides are equal. So this one and this one are equal. So 20, 20. This one is 10, right? So this one also 10 centimeters. Okay, this one is also 10 centimeters. So totally, so perimeter is equal to 10 centimeter plus 20 centimeter plus 10 centimeter plus 20 centimeter. So the total answer will be 60 centimeters. So this is how we find the perimeter of the first question. Okay, in the second question, we can see a square. So we know that the sides of the square is equal. We know that the sides of the square have same length. So this one 7, it means all the sides are 7 centimeters. So easily we can find the perimeter by adding 4 sevens or multiplying 7 by 4. These two are acceptable steps. So 28 will be the answer for the second question. Okay, so that will be the answer for the second question. And the third question, it's an equilateral triangle. It means three sides of the triangle are equal in lengths. So this one, this one, this all are equal. So this one is 12 centimeters we have given. So this one is also 12 and this one is also 12. So 12 plus 12 plus 12 perimeter. So the answer will be 36 centimeters. And you have to be consider the unit, right? If you didn't put the unit on the answer will be wrong. Oh, they will deduct some marks from your full marks on the question. So be careful on the units. Okay. The fourth question, so we can do it in two methods. So in the first method, we consider it as a full object. It means we have to complete the object, like drawing the picture like this. Then this is 8 centimeters. So this one is a rectangle. When we are full the picture, draw the full picture, it will be a rectangle. So this one is 8. So this one is also 8 centimeters. This one is 12. So this one is also 12 centimeters. When we are fulfilling the picture, this is the method number 1. Method number 1. Then we can easily write the perimeter is equal to 8 centimeter plus 12 centimeter plus 8 centimeter plus 12 centimeter. So the answer will be 40 centimeters. And the method number 2 is we have given that this is 3. So total we know that this one is 8. So this one is also 8. But this part is 3. So this part will be 8 minus 3. It will equal to 5 centimeters. I think you got the idea. This full length is equal to 8. And this part is 3 centimeters. So this part will be 5 centimeters. So this one is 5. Which one? This one is 5 centimeters. Same like that, this one we can find this one. This is 12. Totally this is 12. This part is 3. This part is 3. So this part will be the subtraction of 3 from 12. So 9 centimeters. So this one is 9 centimeters. So we have find all the sides of the shape. So finally we can find the perimeter. This one is 5 centimeter. This one is 9 centimeter. So the perimeter is 9 plus 5 plus, you can put some ticks on that. From that you didn't miss any lengths. Okay, you can put ticks on the length. So 9 5 3, then another 3, then another 12, then another 8. So 20, 8, 11, 20. So the answer will be 40 centimeters for the fourth question. These are the two methods. You can fulfill the picture and find the equal lengths. That will be the method number 1. This is the one. And the method 2 is finding the small lengths. Okay, small lengths from the full lengths. Then you can find the perimeter. So in the fifth question, there are no ways to find the small lengths. So we will fulfill the picture and put the equal lengths for the equal sides. From that method, we can only do the question. From the method number 1, already we have talked about that. We can fulfill the picture. So this will come as a square. So this one is 10. This one is also 10. And this one is 10. This one is also 10. So you know that we are getting this side to here and this side to here. So the perimeter of the fifth question, fifth picture, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. So this one will be equal to 40 centimeters. So this will be the answer for the fifth question. And in the sixth question, it is a what? It is a circle. It is a circle. We know that there is an equation for the perimeter of a circle. It is equal to 2 pi r. We have studied, we have memorized this equation. 2 pi r. 2 is a number, then pi is a constant. Pi is a constant. Constant means it won't change. It will never change. It would never change. Pi is equal to 22 over 7. This will never change. So 2 into pi into r means the radius. R means what? Radius of the circle. When a circle we draw, the center and the arc, it's a circumference, right? So we know that the point of the circle and the center are joined. This length called as the radius. When the center of the circle and another point of the circle are joined, that length will be named as the radius. So this one, the equation is 2 pi r. We use pi and r, and pi is a constant, so that one won't change. The r will be vary. R will be change, and according to that, the perimeter will be changes. So we are going to find the circumference of the circle. It will equal to the perimeter. So this question, for this question, r is equal 7 centimeter. So 2 into pi is equal 22 over 7 into 7 centimeters. So we know that when we are getting equal numbers on a fraction, above and below equal numbers, we can short them by them. So we short these numbers by 7. So this one will be 1 and this one will be 1. So the answer is 44 centimeters. Okay. So these are the first 6 questions. Then we are moving to the second question. So this is a special case, and we have to use a Pythagoras theorem on this question. So other pages are equal. It means this one is 3. So this one is 3, this one is 3, and this one is 4. So this one is 4, and this one is 6. But here we have to find the slope. Okay. In special case is you have to find this slope. So to find that slope, we consider this triangle. It's a right angle triangle. So we consider that it is called, we name that as ABC. This one is 4 centimeter. This one is, I am drawing, this one is here. This is 3 centimeter. So we have to find this one. So I am taking it as x. So by Pythagoras, he told that we know that AB squared plus BC squared is equal AC squared. So what is AB squared? 3 squared plus BC squared 4 squared is equal AC squared, means I am taking that x. So x squared, I don't know the variable, so I take that as x squared. So x squared is equal 3 squared plus 4 squared. So I'm using the mirror theory. So I am writing this one here and all of these things on the right side and left side, changing the sides. Then x squared is equal 9 plus 16. So x squared is equal 25. So I am getting square root both sides. So square root x squared, square root 25. So the answer for x is equal 5 centimeters. So this length will be 5 centimeters, and that's the length we have to find. So 5 centimeters. So finally we can find the perimeter. Perimeter will be the addition of 4 plus 3 plus 6 plus 3 plus 6 plus 5 plus another 3. So the answer will be 6 plus 4, 10. Then 6 plus 6 is equal 12. 12 plus 3, 15. Then 20. So here 20 and 10, 30 centimeters. So the perimeter, the answer will be 30 centimeters. So I think you got an idea about the question. I am repeating all of the things. So first one is an rectangle shape. First one is an rectangle shape. So we know that opposite sides are equal. So we put that equation. We put that theory on that. And the second one is a square. So all the sides are equal. And third one is also equal triangle. So we put the all sides as, sorry, we considered all sides as equal. And in the fourth question and the fifth question, we fulfill the images by considering the sides as full sides, and we did the questions. We did the questions. In the sixth question, it's a circle. So we find the circumference of the circles is the perimeter. So we know that there is an equation for the circumference of a circle. It's 2 pi r. Then finally in the second question, only there is one theory adding one extra work. So that was in Pythagoras theory, and I put that. I think you can rewind the video and you can revise the sum. Okay, so okay, that all for the review exercise.